This tutorial tells you how to use the study function of VocabularyShop. This function is the core function of this software. It has the intelligence to enable you to build a large vocabulary with much less time and effort. Your study is completely managed here. The program will schedule every word for you to study or review in the most optimized manner. It will guide you to put every word you choose to learn into your long-term memory. All you need to do is to follow the program to conduct your study. From the program home page, click the study icon.
Acme.
You will enter the study function. A multiple choice question for a particular word is presented to you. The top part of the question page shows your relationship with this word. It includes the status or the progress you have made on studying this word and some history information of your study on this word. The bottom left part of the page displays information about your current study session. It tells you how long you have been running this function and how many words have passed the current study session. Move your mouse over the question word, a short text will pop out saying "click to pronounce." If you click, the word will be pronounced to you.
Acme.
Move the mouse over any of the 4 possible definitions of the question word, a short text will pop up saying "click to read." If you click, that definition sentence will be read to you.
ADJ. Sharply contrasted in character or purpose.
For the multiple choice question, do your best to choose the right answer and click the next button.
Abort.
If your answer is correct, the next multiple choice question will follow.
Absence. Abundant.
If your answer is wrong, a dialog box will pop up, telling you the correct answer and asking you if you want to look at the dictionary. If you choose yes, the dictionary dialog will pop up. This is the dictionary dialog. It has 2 tabs, the dictionary tab and the My Notes tab. The dictionary tab provides all definitions of the current word from the dictionary embedded in the software. On the up right corner of the dictionary tab, there is an online info button. Clicking this button, your default web browser will open a new page to provide you with additional information of the current word from an online dictionary.
Abundant. Abundant.
Depends on your choice of the online dictionary, the information can be very different. The default online dictionary is set to thefreedictionary.com, but you don't have to use the default. You can change it to whatever you like, and there are plenty of different ones for you to choose from. For example, your native language is Spanish, and you want to use Spanish to help you understand the meaning of English words, then you can configure to use an English-Spanish online dictionary. Every time you click the online info button, you will get definitions of a word in both English and Spanish. Let's take a look at the My Notes tab of the dictionary dialog. This is the My Notes tab. Instead of offering you information, this tab gives you a chance to customize information to meet your personal needs. From the My Definition box, you can change the primary definition of the current word to a definition which is more meaningful to you. For example, you can choose a different definition from the online dictionary and copy-paste it into this box. If this box is empty, then the default definition will be used as the primary definition for your study. Most English words have multiple definitions. The default definition is the most popular one. But it may not be the best choice for your situation. If you change the definition of a word, please make sure you also select the correct word type from the drop-down menu. It is part of the word definition. The My Notes box enables you to provide additional personalized information for the current word. You can add any information here, like sample sentences and your study notes. If your native language is not English, then you can also use your native language in this box too. You can attach an image to this word to help you remember this word better. You can get an image from either the internet or from your local hard drive. I will show you how to get one for this word from the internet. Copy this word. Paste it into the Google image search window. Then press the Enter key. I will pick this image, click this image. Right-click on the image. Then choose Copy Image Address from the pop-up menu. Back to the dictionary dialog, click the website button, paste the URL into the input dialog box, and click OK. The image is attached to the current word. Click Save button, everything is saved. Click Close button, you will be moved to the next word.
Accept.
You will see the saved information whenever you use the dictionary dialog, browse function, and spelling function for this word. When you click the Quit button, your study session is ended. That is all for this study function tutorial. Please check the user guide and other tutorials on our website for more information on how to use various functions of this software. Thank you very much for watching.